3 cities in northeast Johnson County are implementing new mask requirements starting next week. Prairie Village, Mission, and Roeland Park all passed new health ordinances, while the rest of the county has not. KCTV5's Nathan Vickers explains why some city officials are frustrated with that inconsistency.
Sandhills Brewery on Johnson Drive has grown used to constant changes.
Basically, this is the final stage before the beer goes into keg.
And owner Jonathan Williamson doesn't mind another round of mask requirements coming to Mission.
Me personally, and as a business, I'm glad they're coming back.
The ordinances passed in Mission, Roeland Park, and Prairie Village don't apply to the rest of the county, which may confuse visiting shoppers and diners.
I think the fact that it is no longer county-wide and instead up to the individual cities, I think is just confusing, problematic, and dramatically less effective.
Some local mayors have been frustrated by the lack of a county-wide mask mandate, leaving cities to make their own rules.
When things got bad enough, we got together and said, you know, what can we do?
Sully Flora is the mayor of Mission. She's part of a movement asking the county to re-implement a mask requirement and passing their own municipal requirement.
We have around 10,000 people. We don't have public health professionals on staff like the county does. We don't have similar emergency order powers.
Mayor Mike Kelly in Roeland Park helped pass a similar ordinance in his city.
When we realized that the data and science and the professionals were begging for action and we weren't seeing it at the higher levels of government, we knew we needed to do something, albeit imperfect.
Prairie Village also sent a letter to the county last week asking for more proactive efforts to mitigate the spread of disease. But the Johnson County Board of Commissioners and Chairman Ed Eilert have not indicated that JOCO will pass an expanded mask ordinance anytime soon.
Applying a county-wide requirement to me does not make sense if you don't have the ability to help make it true.
The new rules go into effect in all 3 cities next Tuesday, though the Starbucks in Prairie Village was already putting up signs this morning. As for Williamson and his tap room,
I hope that people will just continue to remember that wearing a mask it's not about you, it's about the people around you.
He hopes changes in Mission will help keep his patrons safe. Nathan Vickers, KCTV5 News.